Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You have the correct locker key, or a lockpick and a clean area to work in. Move to the locker room indicated on your map and secure the perimeter so you won't be interrupted. Once you reach the locker, check the model and orientation. Many require a specific key or sequence. Make sure to position yourself close enough to interact without backtracking, because time and inventory space matter in Resident Evil 2. You now perform the access step. Approach the locker and use the key or lockpick directly while aimed at the lock. Press the interact control promptly. If it's a combination style, search the environment for notes or dial clues and apply them slowly to avoid errors. Once the locker unlocks, quickly assess the item inside. If it's bulky, drop or stash smaller items first so you can pick up the valuable loot without wasting runs. You finish by organizing your inventory. Store heavy finds in a locker or use consumables to keep space open. If the locker doesn't open, retrace steps to find the correct key or re-examine puzzle areas for missing components, because many lockers link to other rooms. Once done, save your game before advancing. If you get stuck, reload the previous save and approach without enemies. This often fixes locked interactions or accidents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.